2 of our course on AI for urban development and GIS professional. We are learning how to use AI to enhance our productivity in the GIS and urban development sector. Because as we know, AI applies to everything, like every field. And also GIS as well applies to everything and anything in the urban development field, in any field. How do we combine the expertise of AI to enhance what we do and make life easy for us? That makes all the sense in the world, right? Today we're going to learn about satellite imagery, computer vision, and urban changes, identifying urban changes. Sorry, please excuse me. All right, thank you so much. So we are learning about satellite imagery, computer vision, and urban changes, identifying urban changes in our communities. In area. Where is this useful as professionals in the field? This is very, very useful for us because we want to we want to understand what is going on in our environment. We want to be able to make informed decision and make people understand. We want to help government, decision makers, private people understand what they are going to do and what should do. We want to give them the reason to always believe us as experts, maybe Geo AI experts, GIS analysts, or urban developers or town planners, whatever we are in the field. We want to give them reason to always believe us and make them understand that we know what we are doing, right? What are we going to achieve today? Today is going to basically going to be practical. All of us are going to work where we are on our screen. So it is better um you continue with us in the class. If you are not a GIS and urban development expert, and if you've not been learning about GIS, but you want to know about AI, you can view our previous classes on YouTube. You're going to get understanding of all of these things. So you really don't have to be a GIS and urban development expert before you know all of this. This is actually useful for you in whatever field you are. Even if you're in the medical field, you can basically apply these skills to where you are. So all these skills you gain here can be applied to any field you are. You just want to understand how you can apply it. That's the best. So we're going to see how we're going to understand and view satellite imagery. We're going to learn to compare past and present developments. We're going to detect new buildings or extract and do segmentations of buildings or of facilities or infrastructures. We're going to learn how to use computer vision. That is basic introduction to GeoAI. We're going to learn to import results into GIS and make informed reports and decisions. So today we're going to use these tools, Google Earth, QGIS, Segment Anything. It is made by Meta AI. ArcGIS Living Atlas. We're going to use RoboForm. We're going to use Global Forest Watch. A whole lot of tools out there that we're going to use. All right, so So let's move on, and it's going to really be a very, very good time. We are starting with Google Earth Engine, but then what are we going to use Google Earth Engine for? It is important to understand that there is no urban development without understanding the realities on ground. There is nothing like urban development without understanding what happens on ground and understanding the reality. We are going to use satellite. Satellite is used to help urban developers or decision makers, maybe the military guys or whatever, to understand what is happening on the ground. For instance, if you're going to war, you need to understand where your enemy is camping. You need to understand what is going on in where are they, etc. And if you are a GeoAI expert, you want to know the before and after of an area that you are concentrating on, that is your subject matter. Or if you're a town planner and you are developing new town or planning new town, you want to understand the topography of the place. You want to understand what is going on. All of these things all of this data will shape your decisions. It will help you understand what you have to do, right? That is why satellites are used to map large areas, to take pictures of large areas, to monitor buildings, to detect encroachment, track expansion, support development control, reduce unnecessary field visits. These are what satellites are used for, and they are enhanced by AI from the ground. It helps you to make evidence-based planning. Whatever plan you want to make, it helps you to make evidence-based planning. All right. So that is what we are looking at. Now let's open our Google Earth engine. If you already installed Google Earth on your system, now may be the best time to open your Google Earth engine. I'll be sharing my screen so that you can continue to see what I'm doing. If you have your system on, kindly share your screen. Use Google Earth and open Google Earth and share your screen. Okay, Elizabeth, you are presenting. That's very nice. Okay, so Elizabeth, let's see your screen. No, don't stop presenting, Elizabeth. Don't stop presenting. Let's have your own presentation. We're going to work with it. I'm going to continue presenting mine, but you present. Can everybody see Elizabeth's screen now? Good. If you can see Elizabeth's screen, let me know.
Yes, we can.
Yes,
All right.
I can.
Okay, thank you so much. Right. So somebody is on this call and the person is not a GIS analyst. Can I have a time with Chidra Godwish? What's your profession? What are you into? What do you do? Chidra, are you on the call?
Yes, sorry, I'm on the call. Yes.
Yeah. So what do you do? What do you do? Like, what's your profession? Are you a student or a professional?
No, right. Recently, I'm just a graduate.
Yeah. Okay. A fresh
Economics.
graduate.
Yes.
What field?
Economics.
Economics.
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course. This course definitely applies to you. Because you want to plan the economics of a whole community. This course definitely applies to you. You're definitely going to enjoy it. You're
Okay.
welcome.
Okay. Thank you.
After the class and you have questions, you can ask as we move on. If you don't understand anything, you can ask as we move on.
I saw
All right.
so. Oh, so. All right.
Yeah, no issues. All
Okay.
right. Lizzie is presenting, and let's see what we want to observe. We want to kindly zoom into a location of your choice. Zoom into a location of your choice. Tell us where, unmute and tell us where you are visualizing for us. Elizabeth, you want to unmute and tell us where you are visualizing so we can follow you? Elizabeth, are you following? Is your mic fine?
Yes, she's following. Not just following, but she's trying to do something like contact from my own mic.
Okay, she's already okay. I think.
Can you hear me now?
Very well, perfect.
Oh, okay. So I'll zoom into Somolu.
Okay, perfect. Let me follow you to Shomolu then. If you are on Google Earth, kindly zoom into Shomolu. I don't know if Shedra knows what Google Earth is, but if you do, kindly quickly install Google Earth. Just let Google Earth in there. That is my something echoing.
Mr. Shedra, please, can you mute your mic? It's echoing. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. Now I think I'm good. So, Shedrak, you want to quickly go to Google, type Google Earth and install the Google Earth engine. It's quite easy, and if you want, you can use it straight from a browser.
Yeah, I'm trying to use it from the cloud version from the browser.
Yeah. So you two maybe you should go into Shomolu. That's very nice. Okay, so let's visualize an area. Since we're in Shomolu, let's move to Elizabeth. Let's move to Yaba and visualize the University of Lagos. Let's use the University of Lagos as our case study today.
All right.
I need to find a lot of interesting places in the University of Lagos.
No problem.
While you are in around University of Lagos, you can see the demolished area in Makoko, and you can see the Third Mainland Bridge.
How you guys doing?
Oh yeah, are you on? Are you?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, can you identify the Senate building in? Can you help us identify the Senate building? Tell us how we can find the Senate building. You should be able to identify that from the satellite imagery.
Only should identify the Senate building, right?
Yes. So you should help us identify it. Elizabeth, there is the sports complex. Can you help us place a marker on it? You can click on the sports complex. Then all of us can see it from your screen. If you click on it, it will identify.
Was in Somolu, the Senate building.
Yes, in University of Lagos is our case study. So if you can find the University of Lagos, and I'm not sure it's in Shomolu, it's in Yaba, not Shomolu. Shedrak, what location are you?
Sorry, I'm still trying to get it set.
Well, I mean,
my system.
where are you on planet
Okay.
Earth?
In Asaba, Delta State.
Yeah, in Delta State, okay.
Yeah.
Then let's use a location that is peculiar to you then. Maybe your location, shouldn't we? Instead of you coming to Lagos and be looking for a job you do not know. Maybe your school. Did you school in Asaba?
No, not in Asaba, in Enugu State.
In Enugu State?
Yeah.
Maybe you should use your school in Enugu.
Okay.
So visit Enugu State, visit your school. We want to know places there.
So I just put a pin on
Just
University of
click,
Lagos
just click on it. You're good. Okay, thank you. Now let's open our QGIS. While we are there, let's quickly open our QGIS. So Shadrach, you want to also go to Google and download QGIS. If you go back to YouTube later on after this class, you will understand using QGIS, and it's quite important to follow us in this class, and you get to enjoy it as we move on.
Sorry, I didn't get that. You said Unilag, or someone else.
Yes, Unilag is a case study. Unilag is a University of Lagos is a case study today.
Okay.
So we are going to be working mainly on University of Lagos. There are a lot of developments that we are going to be looking at, a lot of changes that we are going to be looking at. So, and if we are going to use another case study, then it will be, what school is that, Shadrach? What's the name of the school? Is it Sosuka?
Enugu State.
Okay, Enugu State University. SUT, okay. State University of Technology. So that will be our other case study today.
The Senate building number.
All right, let's quickly open our QGIS as we move on.
We have
Oh yeah, are you done with what have you been able to locate the Senate building? Going.
okay, I'm here. Sorry.
I was asking if you have been able to locate the Senate building.
I did not. I can't. So I've been trying to look for it. I'm seeing other one, but not the Senate building.
What did you see? Did you see the Usman Danfodio Boulevard? That's the road.
But I see Madam Kofo Ademola Hall.
Okay, move now. Continue to move northwards, towards the water. Shudra, can you locate your Senate building in your school? I don't know if your school has Senate building. I think I'm familiar with that. Or maybe your department. Are you able to locate the departments in your school, Shudra?
Yeah, I'm still fighting with the Google Earth Engine. Though I'm downloading the QGIS, but the Google Earth Engine is what I am trying to guess now. What I'm seeing is different from what I think Elizabeth is presenting. Yes, it's present. I think what I'm getting is different from what she's presenting, so that I can be able to search for my.
Okay, you know what's going to happen. What's going to happen? I'm going to present my screen right now, and we are going to go to Enugu State together.
Okay.
So then you are going to tell me if I'm following. I'm still in Lagos State here, and then I'm going to move to Enugu State. I think I should know the location to Enugu. It should be around there. This should be Enugu. This is Enugu. Good. I found Enugu. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen, yes.
So I think I'm in Enugu here. I don't know which part of Enugu is your school, but can you tell me the location, maybe the name of the area your school is in? Is it Obinagu? What is this? Ububuani, Uguafo, Uguaji. So, or is it within the Enugu metropolis? Shadrach. Okay, so if you can't find where you are going, it's easier to even search using the search. So Only you can as well search for Senate Building, University of Lagos. It's going to take you straight to the location.
Sorry, excuse me, though. But what I'm saying is like getting this interface on your screen now is what I'm trying to get.
Oh, can you share your screen? Let's see what you're getting.
Okay, I'm actually on the call with my phone, not with my system. But let me just kind of.
So don't worry, if you go back to the YouTube channel, you're going to get. So I thought you were sharing here with your PC. So
I'm with my PC. I'm with my PC, but I'm not on the meet with my PC.
You're not on the call with your PC. Okay. So what you do is that let me quickly show you this.
Okay.
So this is what you do. You see, I'm on Google, right? So you want to go to guys. You're not seeing this screen yet. Okay, let me share this one.
Video, thank God.
What? Okay, you've seen the Senate Building. Beautiful. Let me quickly present this. Okay, can you see my screen now? Shadrach,
yeah, I can see your screen.
You want to go to Google Earth. You don't have to do the download, just type Google Earth and you will have this interface. You can use it straight from a browser and you download later. So you download later. Let's see what we have here. So I'm going to say, let's go to a new project, a new map. Post this one. And then I can zoom in easily. We are not really not going to do so much. We are just going to take screenshots. Are you able to do this? What I've just done?
Not yet.
Okay.
I think
so
my network was lagging, but I'm following you.
You easily get it. It's quite easy. So let's move on right now. I'm going to go back to sharing my screen. Perfect, right here. One is always joining this. Who's this person? Utsunga, you're always joining late. Why? You're always joining late. Okay, so let's take pictures of the Senate building. If you're already on it, take screenshots of the Senate building, of the sports complex, and the whole boundary of
Marty, are you talking to me?
Yes, everybody.
Okay,
Take,
because my own system, OT pack off. So
what
I
happened? There's no
have to, it was just going blank, like
Oh boy.
can you like go to law screen it
Oh,
law?
sorry. That's okay. Lizzie, you are on. Everyone else is on. So take a screenshot of what you have with your system of the whole University of Lagos. Save it into a file. Then take a screenshot of the Senate building as well as the University of Lagos Sports Complex. Save the three of them in a file as well.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Can you please come again? I had to go bring
Okay,
motor into the class.
that's okay. So open a folder on your system. open a folder on your system, name it week 2, your name and urban change, like a new folder, maybe on your desktop or something. So we are going to use this shared folder for your submission. So week 2 is your name, with the full name and urban change. You want to do that too, Shadrach. So everybody just open a new folder in your system, name it week 2 with your full name and urban change. When once the system is up again, let me know.
The screen is gone. It cannot be up again till I get another monitor.
Okay, use my PC then.
I don't know your password now.
I'll drop it in your DM.
Okay.
Check your DM. Once you are done creating the file, let me know.
What's going to be the name of the file?
It's week 2. Your full name.
Matthew, we are
Week 2.
Okay, week 2. Okay,
Week 2, your full name.
done, Matthew.
Okay, done. With urban change. You added urban change. Thank you. Week 2, your full name urban change. So it's going to be full like that. Now let's go to our QGIS and quickly install these 2 plugins. So there are some plugins we're going to be using today in our QGIS. So you've not been able to download your QGIS, I understand, but you can learn on as we move on, so that by the time you are watching, you'll be able to get it. So we're using 2 plugins today. One is named SamGeo or GeoSAM, right? This is called segmentation AI. In fact, let me tell you one good thing about this AI that I want to introduce to you today. If you are the sort that creates video edits, you create picture edits, and you're going to be, for instance, you have a video of Cristiano Ronaldo playing football, and you need that image of Cristiano Ronaldo playing only football, but you don't need the stadium. You understand? You would have been seeing it on YouTube that people turn they turn videos to outline on YouTube. I don't know if you've seen it. Or they change color, they change the background, they remove the stadium, they put another thing. You can use that. That AI is actually made for it, and it is made by Meta AI. Meta AI to segment features from a video or from an image, and then you can save that feature separately. We are going to use that AI as a plugin within QGIS. We are going to use another one called Roboflow. Roboflow helps to identify features in a geographical area. So maybe you are looking at a very large expanse of land and you are unable to identify what exactly you need. Maybe you are looking for a particular road and you could not identify it, or you want to select all the roads in an area, you want to select all the buildings in an area. Instead of you tracing one by one, you can easily use Roboflow model, and we're going to see how we can use them. In fact, if you want to experience your SAM segmentation right now, it's called segment anything model. You can type it in Google. Open a Google another tab and type segment anything model. Just type segment anything. You really don't need to add the model. Segment anything is fine. All right. Tell me if you see anything. Okay, so while you are doing that, let's quickly install the plugins that we have on QGIS. I'm going to share my screen so that you can.
Please,
On
do
that
you do you mean this, Matthew? Do you mean the first one?
the one from Meta AI, yes, segment anything.
Okay.
It's
All right.
created by Meta AI.
Hi, Matthew.
Yeah, I'm here.
So my search is saying Meta model 2, segment anything model 2. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Model
So
2.
yes, model 2, the original model is the one that is used to analyze image, and that is what we are going to be using in our QGIS. The newest
All right.
model cannot analyze image, it can only analyze images. You understand? So it is the earlier model we'll be using.
Can you come again?
I explained that the older model is the one we are going to be using in QGIS. It is the one that is majorly made for image. It is the earliest version made for imagery. You understand? Let me show you how it works online before we move to QGIS. Let me show you. So I'm going to put this link. Let me put this link in the in-call messages. You can open this link. I just drop it in the in-call message. Click the link, it will take you to this. So this is the web. Yeah. So if you have screenshot,
My own screen is not like your own. Oh, sorry. The segment anything is not like your own. Oh.
Yeah, it is not. I just put the link to access the earlier model. So this is the earliest model, the earlier model, like the late model, the one they discontinued for the model 2. So you cannot access it unless you go through this login phase. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Hello.
Okay, so but you know my own WhatsApp is not connected to your distance, so I cannot be copying.
So what you can do is you can put it in your email and then you can send it to yourself.
That one is long journey. Like if I should see my, that means I will have to log in my email on your system. Do you understand?
Oh, it's a long thing. It's a long thing.
Yes.
It's a long thing.
Yes.
All right, so everybody, you can see now, right? So if you had saved what is called an image, maybe the Senate building, if you have been able to save Senate building on a system, do this. Click to open an image, then save let me look for, okay, let me use this. Use one of the satellite images you've created, then open. Right now,
Sorry, your satellite image where?
I just said that you should take screenshots on your satellite image on your Google Earth, then save it in the file you've created, the folder you created.
Okay.
Did you do that? You know, so on Google Earth,
What about me? Which one am I saving? Is it the school?
yes, you are seeing your school. They are seeing your school if you are in. They're supposed to
Yeah.
see your school.
Yes. I'm always seeing it.
Okay, you are in, Abby. Good.
Yes,
Perfect.
yes.
Perfect. Okay, so if you are seeing your school, so let's assume that, oh, I'm in next and I don't even know what I'm looking at because I've never been to this school. But if you have been able to take screenshot of your Senate building or of a very, very popular place in your school, you understand, look for a very popular place in your school, your faculty, take the screenshot, make sure you take up to 3 screenshots, then take the boundary, like the whole perimeter of your school, the extent, if you can identify the extent. You understand what I'm saying? Then save it in your folder. I don't know if you get what I'm saying.
Yes, I do. Yes, I'm trying to
Good.
get it there.
Perfect. So you do that, and then you can now come to let me represent this. So you can now come back to segment anything and click on the image. So we want to identify what's here. So you can see that as I'm hovering, it is identifying buildings for me or stuff that are on it. Okay, I think I've been able to identify this very well. If I click on it, let me look for another one. And I start this, you can see I've been able to identify these two buildings. Then I'll cut mask. Cut mask. If you are not, if you want to change the image, you can reset, you press reset the image. If you want to clear all the points that you've clicked, you say clear points. But if you are okay with what you have taken, then you cut mask. It automatically save it for you. Now let's see what we've saved. I hope everyone is following me. You open the image. Let me show you what we've been able to do. Present something else. Window, image, share. Now see what we were able to glean out. You can see that it is PNG. The background is out. You can place the background on anything you want. I think this is interesting, isn't it?
It is interesting, but I am lost.
Where are you lost? Where do you want me to explain? It basically works like your BG, remove.bg. I don't know. Has anybody used something like remove.bg?
Can you? The thing is, me, Dami, Oyin, Uzain, we're actually lost. Right.
Okay.
Please,
Okay.
from the place where we added, I can share my screen. From the place where we added, me personally, from the place where I added my image, I don't know any other thing again. That's where I'm lost from.
Okay, let me start again. You have used the link to go in, Abby, because I said that it is the version 1. You can no longer see the version 1 unless you use these transformers.js.
Yes.
That's the only way you can access it, right? So
Yes.
if you click on this upload image, you look for the box that you have, that you saved your image. So I don't know where you saved your image.
Mm.
You
My
understand?
image is actually in the box now.
So look, so okay, you've already uploaded the image, right?
Yes, I have.
Okay, good, perfect. Now that you have been able to upload your image, what you do is, if you want to change the image, use reset image. Look at this. Can you see
Okay.
reset image?
Yeah.
If you have picked points before, if you just continue to hover on the image, it will identify points for you. But if it's
Okay.
not identifying the points, you can click on the points, and then it is going to add a point for you.
You're confusing me.
You get what I'm saying now?
Can I share my screen so that maybe it will be clearer, because I
Share your
don't
screen.
know.
Yeah,
All
share
right,
your screen, please.
thank you very much. So I've cleared. I'm trying to. Okay.
Well, the AI is not that perfect because it is the earliest version used to test. So
Okay.
if you're uploading an image that the buildings cannot be easily identified, like the buildings are so tiny, it will have difficulty identifying those buildings.
Oh, okay. So it has to be bold.
It has to be bold so that it can identify it. How did I find out? If I upload this Eco Atlantic, it is not going to identify those buildings very, very well. It is going to identify the whole neighborhood. But you can see the one I first identified, the one I first uploaded. You see that those images are bold, so it was easy
Yeah.
to pick out those images.
Okay. So okay.
You get what I'm saying now? So
I
if
do.
you, that's why I said you should take screenshot of the Senate building, just the Senate building alone.
Okay. No, mine is supposed to be the sports complex.
The sports complex, right?
Yes.
Which one is Dami using?
I mean, which one are you using? For the this thing. So this is mine.
Okay, let me look at it.
Oh, sorry, I'm not sharing that yet. Let
Are
me
you sharing
share.
your screen already?
I am not
Yes.
sharing that part. Let me share the part where I need you to say.
Shadrach, are you following?
Yes, I'm following. Yes.
So this
Are
is
you-
mine.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So I think
Good.
it is because it is not zoomed in. Is that
No,
it?
no, no, no. You are able to. You should be able to identify the sports complex there easily. Just
Okay.
over on it. You should be able to
Oh,
identify the sports
all
complex.
right. All right. So let me quickly go here again. Upload this. Open. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Then
So
hover
what do I?
over on it. Just hover.
Okay.
Do
Yeah.
you see now that it is identifying? But don't click it. Keep
Okay.
hovering. You should be able to identify. Keep hovering on the whole sports complex. Good.
Oh, okay.
Just hover. So
Okay.
whatever you hover on, it is going to identify it. Do you
Oh,
see now?
okay.
So if you are now
Yes.
okay with whatever you identify, if you mistakenly click any point and you don't want that point, you tell it to clear the point. If you want to
Okay.
check the image, you click
Okay.
on preset image.
Okay.
But so try and get what's it called already.
This the sports complex.
Yes. Just check in class.
Okay. But I think it is stretching because if I want, is there a way I can just pick the points that I want? Because right now it is the one choosing and it is not choosing.
Then
Can you see?
click on that, or click on the
Okay.
point you want. You see now, so you clear the point. It's not giving you what you want, so clear the point.
Okay. So once it gives me what I want, I can click.
Then yes, I think it
Click
has given
now.
you what you want there.
Yes. So
Look for
can
another
I
one.
click multiple times?
Yeah, you can. Just
Okay.
go on
Because
and click on whatever you want.
all right, I am hovering on this now and I'm not
If
seeing.
it is not identifying it, then it cannot identify it. But click on it first. Let's see.
Okay. I just clicked on something else. Another thing.
I think it
Another
is
thing.
removing the something from it. So what you
Yeah.
can do is that let's do it this way.
Okay.
Because the something is not really that perfect, so you may really not get what you want.
Okay.
Unless you use it in the QGIS. So we are using this one as test. I'm just showing you this on how it works.
Oh, all
So
right.
click on get cut mask. Then it has downloaded. You can see it in the downloads. Open the download. Now there we go. See what it has identified. It was even able to identify it so well.
Yeah.
Then you can place it on whatever you want to place it or use it for your image analysis. Maybe you are creating a report and you are talking about the sports complex in the University of Lagos. You really don't care about whatever is happening around it. You just want to talk about the sports complex. You can place this.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Oh, your hand is up. You wanted to say something. Sorry.
So what happened before was that I was not getting it. That segment anything in coming long go for me. Sorry that I had to speak over. So I was
No, no
bringing out
issues.
something.
Speaking
So
anything.
I had to look at Lizzie's screen to be able to get this.
Okay, so
So I think I was following, but this was what I got to. I don't know, maybe I'm on the line or not.
okay. Hold on. Let me.
You are seeing my screen, Abby.
I can see your screen now.
So this is the Senate House. So I already want the image. So what am I supposed to do next?
Hold on. I really don't understand your image yet. But okay, you are showing me. Okay. So you have not clicked it. So hover on the screen, over on the image.
What is this tab? How can
You have
I remove
already clicked. So remove mask. Click on the button in the middle.
this one?
The one in the middle. Yes, it should work.
Okay.
Good. It has removed it.
So what do you say I should do now?
Click on that.
On what?
Oh, it has identified one part of the building. So click on it.
I should click on this.
Yes, just click. Have you clicked?
Yes.
So click on another one until you get the whole part of the building. Just continue to hover. It will be identifying the building for you.
It's not
No,
identifying.
you're already done with that. So come down. Eh.
Yeah.
Did you identify it? Click on it.
Click on it. Okay. Click on it.
Did you give it more? Good. You can see that it is even removing the tree by itself.
Yes.
It's quite smart. So when you are able to identify everything, then you say cut mask.
I think I did everything.
Then use cut mask. It will
Cut
download this for you.
So this is how it looks. Can you see?
Yes,
Okay.
that's what you get. So you're having a PNG image without background. Sam, did you get anything? Someone just joined the call. I don't know if they are coming along with us. But before I call that person up, Dami, your hand is up.
Yes, Matthew. Honestly, I do not get anything, but let me just share my screen so that probably you can explain further. Okay. I want to share my screen.
Okay.
Can you see my
Okay. Not yet.
Okay, so
Okay, I
this
can
is
see it now.
the picture. Can you all see?
I can see the screen.
This is how I was able to save it from the Google Drive. I don't know if I said it correctly. Matthew, can you see this?
Yeah. You just use the snipping tool, right? So did you save it into your box, into the folder you created?
Not yet. I'm trying to save. I'm unable to
So
save.
you right click on the image. Right click on the image. You are still on snipping tool. So right click on the image.
Okay.
And then you see save as.
Okay. So I should save in that file that I created
Yes, you want to save there.
as PNG or JPEG.
As whatever you want, PNG, JPEG, anyone is fine.
Okay, save.
Okay, so you cannot take it to you cannot take it to your, you get what I'm saying now.
So I should take it back to the segment.
So you cannot go back to segment anything. Oh, your hand is up. Hello?
Okay, so I'm on.
That
So
was a mistake.
okay, that's okay. So you're on segment AI, then click on, so follow what I'm doing now to do it. You can see that I'm on segment AI. See my screen. Can you see my screen? So you click to upload and then go to your folder. You know how to identify your folder. Go to your folder, click on the image that you want to bring in, then open. It's going to load it in segment AI. Then you want to hover on it. If you hover on it, it is going to show you it's going to be identifying some images for you. You can see the segment it is identifying for me. So it has identified this segment. If I click it, I want to click another segment here. It's going to identify it for me. And I want to maybe add this to it. So it is identifying the plots for me and this. You see this core. That is how good it is. It is rating itself. And when you are done, you want to say cut mask. And then you can now view. That means, did you get now? Did you follow?
Okay, so I want to ask, when you click on upload the image, what next would you click on?
Yeah, it is going to take you to your folder, then you can identify your folder. I don't know where your folder is, but let me do it again. Look at now, follow me now. Click to upload image, click.
Okay.
You see that it has opened a folder for me. I don't know if you're able to see it. You can't, but it has opened a folder for me. So go to your desktop, identify desktop, open the folder, look for the folder on your I don't know where you saved it, if it is desktop or wherever. So look for your folder, then identify the image you want to upload and click open. Did that work?
No, it didn't.
What exactly is the problem you're facing?
Okay, so let me show you. Can you see my screen?
I can't. We are waiting for you, actually.
Can you see my screen?
What exactly? What? I can't see your screen. Are you sharing at all? So what exactly are you trying to, like, where exactly are you having issues so I can help you with it?
The segment web itself.
Are you on the segment web? Are you on the segment web? Eh? Are you seeing the same thing I'm seeing? Like, do you have my sort of screen? Okay, you're sharing your screen now. Let me look at it.
Can you see it now?
I only see, okay, now I can see it. So now what you do is that you want to click to upload image. Click to upload image.
Yes, I have. So it took me to open folder, like he opened.
So did you
folder.
create a folder the other time?
Yes.
Did you save the images you screenshotted from QGIS, from your Google Earth Engine into that folder you created?
Yes.
So now go and locate the folder now.
I have.
Now look, click on an image. Click on an image. One of the images you saved there.
Okay.
Then click open now, or double click. Just double click on the image. It should appear here. Now there you go.
Okay.
But you know the way you screenshotted it really didn't go, so it's just too small for the or something. But just hover on it, don't mind. Over, you should be able to identify one or two.
Over how
So just move your cursor around
my
the image. That is hover, Hover. On the image, you don't go outside the image. Click on any part of the image. Click on any part of the image.
let's click.
Did you click?
No, it didn't.
You should click. Did you click?
Or is the image that is the problem?
So the image is too flat. Is on like you are giving it a 2D. I don't know how to identify this image. So it's going to be having issues identifying points. You understand? So if you've got a clearer image, you want to use it. Once you get a clearer image, maybe the one that is on a plane, then we set image and we upload. When you reset image, it is going to clear the image on it. Do you get now? Adekumbi Bangbade, have you been following us? Are you on the call? Adekumbi, it appears this is the first time you are joining.
It has to be.
This is first time. Okay. This is first time you're joining.
Good afternoon, Matthew.
What did you say?
Yes,
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
this is my first time. Fine.
All right. You're welcome.
This is my first time. Thank
You're welcome. So you enjoy the call very well. You are going to enjoy the class. If you do not understand, just follow up and you're going to get it. I'll try as much as possible to carry along. But if you want to really enjoy the class after this class, you want to go back to our YouTube channel and view our previous classes so you can come along. By the next time you are going to join the class, you are really going to be very, very much up to date. It's going to be
Okay, thank
someone
you.
say something. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so shall we continue now? I hope everybody is now able to use the segment anything there to take out to segment features on an image, right? So what we want to do now is to go and install the plugins on our QGIS. I hope you have been able to install QGIS Schedule Godrich.
No, not yet, but it's still loading.
It's still loading. So while you are there, if you follow, you're going to get this thing very, 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 very easily. All right. So you just want to calm down and follow. It's going to be very, very easy for you. Okay, so everybody go back to your QGIS. I hope everyone is on QGIS now. Adekumbi Bangbade, do you have QGIS on your system or you just downloaded it?
Does not have right online now.
What do you say?
Why did you not say
Okay, so now plugins. If you're on QGIS already, you can see my. Okay, I've not shared my screen. Let me share my QGIS screen so you can see.
Sorry, Matthew, I'm with you. You know what? The name of the what do you call it? The YouTube link. I don't know if you can drop it for me so that I can check. And also, is there a
Okay,
group for the class?
I'm going to drop the YouTube channel by the end of the class. I'll drop the link here in the in-call message so you can follow. At the end of the class, I'll do so.
Okay, and also, is there a group for the class?
There is a group. I'll add it to the group as well.
Okay, thank you very much.
I'll do that so you can always follow. What's your line like? What's your profession? Are you a student or?
I'm not a student.
Okay, so what's your
A
profession?
student for
What do you say?
Oh, microbiology public health.
Okay, microbiology public health. Of course, this is very, very going to be useful for you. I can tell you that.
Okay.
So you just continue to watch and then you follow. I hope everyone is on QGIS. Oh yeah, are you on QGIS set?
Yes, I am.
Okay, Elizabeth, are you on QGIS?
Please, I'm not on QG, so
Yes, I am.
Not on
Okay.
QGIS, so
You are not on QGIS, Abi. Dami, are you on QGIS? So, Adekumbi, what you want to do? Are you taking this class from your PC?
I don't understand, please.
No,
Are
I'm
you
not.
taking this class? Okay, are you taking Adekumbi? Are you taking this class on your PC from your computer,
No, from my phone.
from your phone? No, you need to be taking this class on your PC if you want to really enjoy it and follow us. All right.
Okay.
So let's continue on QGIS. So go to plugins here. When you come to plugins, manage and install plugins. Let me show that again. Plugins, manage and install plugins. So you see the search bar here. Okay, it's running. Let it fetch all the repositories, and then we can then look for our SAMGeo. What the two things we want to, the two plugins we want to bring in now is SAMGeo and Roboflow. If SAMGeo is not working for us, we're going to use GeoSAM. Now, SAMGeo is going to easily use our segment AI. That is segment anything. The one we've been working on, that we've been learning to use all the while, is going to really easily install it on your QGIS, so that on your QGIS you don't have to be running around. You just identify buildings while you're on your QGIS.
Matt, you said Sam Jew and what? Sam Jew is not here.
No, you're going to type it now. Go to search bar.
We type it already. It's not there.
Okay, then type GeoSAM.
Okay,
GeoSAM.
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 SAM, yeah.
Yes, I see GeoSAM.
Then that one works. That one works. If it doesn't work, then that one works. GeoSAM works. Once you are done installing that one, once you are done installing that one, you want to install Deepness. Deepness will help you, will allow you to use Roboflow, because you cannot see Roboflow on QGIS. But
Deepness, or
yes,
what did you say?
yes, Deepness, DEEPNES.
DEEP.
NES, Deepness.
Okay, I've seen
You
that
go to
one.
Deepness, then install it as well.
Okay, it is installed.
So you see that SAMGeo, it will help you, it will allow you to click on objects or features on the imagery, and then produce the segmentation results, and you can then export it as a GIS layer. Maybe
my GeoSAM is taking a while to install. I don't know what's going on.
even my own too is taking a while to install, so that's why I'm not able to move out of the screen.
Thank you very much.
So you're not alone in that game. But if you have been able to install it, then it's good. GO, then OSAM. GeoSAM.
It's saying failed.
It's saying what?
Failed.
Failed.
Yes.
Is it the deepness that is failing?
The GeoSAM.
On which system? I thought you said you've installed GeoSAM.
I not installed it though. It failed.
It's failed, Abby.
Yes.
It should work. Maybe it's the version of the QGIS version, but it should work. So try installing deepness. Let's see. If GeoSAM does not work, then we're going to continue with deepness.
Next, Lele. Ah, sorry.
If you're not trying to speak, please mute your mic. That's great.
Maybe GeoSAM did not install
GeoSAM is not installed.
at all. It's just been rolling.
So try deepness. We can make do with deepness.
So
Thickness.
we should do thickness.
Yes, deepness, not
Okay,
deepness.
yeah.
I'm not
So
able to
deepness, Matthew, deepness is deep natural remote, right?
Yes. DEEPNESS.
Thank you very much.
So you want to do that. If you are not able to install either of them, what we will do is that we are not going to really use GeoSAM and deepness today. Then we're going to shift it to next class because of time.
All right.
But we are going to do remote sensing and satellite image review today to conclude the class, and then we are going to do small manual change detection and finish up the rest next week.
All right.
So by next week, we are going to continue with the feature extraction using the SAM and deepness, and then we're going to continue with the other class.
All right, makes sense.
I think that's fair, right?
Yes,
So you would
yes.
have time to install everything. So for some of us that are really not even enjoying the class because you are not following with your QGIS and your Google Earth, you would have had time to lay out everything. All right. So let's go back to our what's it called? Okay, let me Google Earth Engine. Let's go back to Google Earth Engine. Let's go back to Google Earth Engine. Are you out there on Google Earth Engine?
Yeah.
Okay, I want somebody to share their screen on Google Earth Engine then. Who's sharing? Okay, Elizabeth, you're sharing. Okay, good. Now, what we want to do now, since we are going to be skipping Roboflow and all the plugins, let's start identifying urban changes. So we're going to start with, for you to be a GeoAI expert, you need to be able to read satellite image. That is what we've been trying to do all the while. The time that we were identifying the University of Lagos Sports Complex, everybody was identifying something. Adekumbi, you can continue with this one. Go to your Google, open a new tab and search for Google Earth, just Google Earth, and open it. So you should be able to follow with us here.
Okay, thank you.
Hussein, your hand is up. What's up? Hussein.
The stuff is still extracting. The image is still extracting, but it's not done.
What image
yet.
is
I don't know why. On the segment anything, what they call the name. Mine is still extracting. I don't know. It's not done extracting. I don't
Don't
know
worry, leave that one. Leave that one for now.
why. Okay.
Leave that one for now.
Okay. Can you see this one?
Don't leave that one for now. Go to your Google Earth. Go to your Google
Okay.
Earth.
Okay.
Go to Google Earth. All right. So if you're
Okay.
on Google Earth now, we want to finish up this class with our satellite image viewing.
Okay.
So now go back to your entry points. I don't know, maybe everybody should choose different entry points for your community. So what you should do is that everybody should choose different communities to work on. So I don't know who is working on University of Lagos. Others should work on maybe Yaba Tech. Somebody should work on Alausa Secretariat. Yeah, okay, you have chosen Yaba. What are you? Where are you working on? You want to choose a community that.
Unilag Bao, Mowe.
Please, if you are not speaking, please mute your mic so that we should be able to identify you.
Let me work on what we know that everybody choose different location in Unilag now. So
No. I want everybody to use different communities now. So one person should use University of Lagos, another person should use Abatech. There is FC Takoka, there is just Alausa is good. So somebody, okay, you've used Alausa, right?
I'll
Somebody
use
should
University of Ilorin.
University of Ilorin. So just choose a place that you are very familiar with. Very familiar with. Very familiar with. Okay, so now you have been able to identify. So you want to create, you want to delete. If you are no longer using University of Lagos. Is someone saying something? If you're not saying anything, please mute your mic so I can hear myself. Unless you want to say something.
Oh, sorry.
All right.
Yes, I want to say something.
I'm
Sorry,
listening.
actually my PC is off. So I tried searching, fine, I can see Google Earth NG on the phone, but I don't know what else. The interface I'm seeing is different from the
I don't know,
interface
you will
they
not
are
be able
showing.
to really enjoy it. I forgot that you are on phone. You understand? You're really not going to enjoy it on phone. So somebody is going to share the screen and you're going to be following with the person's screen. I really don't want to share my screen because I want everybody to be hands-on. But Elizabeth's screen is on. So you want to follow Elizabeth's screen. Elizabeth, your screen is on, Abby. So pin Elizabeth's screen and follow what she's doing. So by the time you're going to be watching it again on YouTube, you're really going to get have an holistic understanding.
Okay, thank you.
That's fair, right? Okay, we should move on then. Okay, so now go back to your preferred community. Now take screenshots of famous building there, roads and open land, and save it in your folder, the one you had on your system. So if you are no longer using University of Lagos, delete University of Lagos images in your folder and add new images to it. So we are going to be using that one. Is everyone doing something?
Yes, we are doing what you are supposed to do now.
Thank you so much. Now, if you look at the interface of your Google Earth, if you look at the interface of your Google Earth, you will see on the left side there is a nav bar there where you can see the search bar that you've used to search. If you are the searching type, if you are used to search, you can see my places. You can see the layers that are where you are. So you want to check out the layers and see what you are doing. So if you check out layers, you can see things there. If you check weather, you can see weather on the layer. It is going to give you a weather map of that place. Like it is going to have cloud cover, the point view, and all of that. If you add gallery, if there are pictures there that are related to wherever you're going to pick, it is going to identify pictures there. So you'll be able to see. Then if you click terrain, it's going to remove the terrain or add terrain. So those layers are your base maps that I explained last week, and you can use it when you are running your stuff.
So, Matthew, are you saying that we need to pick 1 point from each of the places that we have picked, or are picking more than one?
Pick more than one, like up to 3. We'll be using it in
points.
analysis later on.
All right, thank you very much. That's confirmed.
I want you to identify, as you are picking those points, I want you to identify those points very well and understand what you are picking.
That's
you understand? Like, know what you are picking, and you should understand why you are picking that point from a GeoAI expert point of view.
All right, no problem. That's fine.
If you look at the bottom of the layout of the screen of the interface, you're going to see the imagery date. That is the date that the image you are looking for was taken. My image was taken in 2024, and if you continue to hover on the screen, it is going to give you the exact location of where you are, where your cursor is. That is in coordinates. It is that coordinates you're going to look at. It is going to give you elevation, that is how high the place you are pointing at is from the sea level. So where I am right now is 5 meters above sea level. Elizabeth, I hope you are following so others can see what you are doing. Elizabeth, are you following?
Yes, I am.
So that others can see. So you want to hover around and let them see what is at the bottom.
Oh, okay. Yeah, right.
Yeah, at the bottom.
My
I
elevation
really
is
can't see your screen because I'm actually checking out some things.
What did you say?
I said I can't see your screen, but I'm actually explaining so that others can get it.
Oh, okay. The elevation mine is in feet. So this is 400 feet.
Yes.
The elevation here is 400 feet. If you move it to another place and you pick another point, it is very possible that the elevation of that place is going to decrease. Yes.
So it means that where you are is actually higher, is above sea level, 40 feet above sea level.
400.
Okay, now let's see what you can do with your Google Earth Pro. If you have a shapefile, so if you this is very important for all of us that use QGIS. If you are working on QGIS and you have a file that you want to save, you save it as shapefile or KML. There are so many extensions you can save it as. So if you have a KML file or a shapefile, you can open it on your Google Earth Pro and continue to work on it, maybe to place markers and identify places or calculate the area or the length of a road or whatever. So use open rather, Control O, right? If you want to save, you have saved markers on places which you are going to look at. Use save to my places or save image. If you have, you can actually email it or view an area in Google Maps. Maybe this area you want to view it in Google Maps or view on the web. You can print it if you want. There is something else I'm not able to get here, but and now with all of this, now let me share my screen so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. So by the time you are able to use Google Earth very well, you'll be able to identify places and place markers wherever you want. So you use this to fill your screen and remove the sidebar. This is the show sidebar. It will show the sidebar, or remove hide sidebar. It will hide the sidebar. I hope everyone is saying it. You're following. All right. This one is to add place mark. This is the place mark I was telling Elizabeth to add the other time. So I have identified the place where I want to hide. This is the sports complex. I hope everyone can see the sports complex, because I'm
Yes.
actually looking for placing place mark on places which I am identifying and I want to talk about in my report. So I'm going to place mark on the sports complex and call it University of Lagos
Bloody what you
Sports Complex. Right? Jesus, I've been typing and it's not showing. University of Lagos Sports Complex. All right. So I've been able to place to name it, and this is the exact coordinates. I hope Adekumbi and Godwish, you know what coordinates are, right? And if you want, you can add description to describe it. Sports complex. Adekumbi, are you on the call?
Yes, I am.
I hope you know what coordinates are. You know what coordinates are?
Yes, which will show the longitude and the latitude, north,
Exactly.
west, north, south, east, west.
Yes. And if you add a local image, you can add a local image or add web image. Then you put the URL here. So if it is a web image, you put the URL and you OK, and you OK it. So you've been able to place the place mark so that anytime you save this image and you want to continue with this, you can see what you want. You can see what you want to do. Let me identify another place. I think I'm familiar with this place very well.
I understand.
So this is to place the place mark, and this one is to add a polygon. So last week on QGIS, we saw how we can add polygon easily last week. So you can also add a polygon on Google Earth. So for instance, we are going to have a boundary. We can say University of Lagos. I have so many. I'm booking your compound. I don't know. Then you click OK. I have not actually added the boundary and I okayed it. Too bad. But that's how you're going to do it. Let me do it again. So I've added the points and I'll add another point. I'll add another point. See, I'm tracing along with the road. I hope this is clear.
It's not clear because
Yes,
I know that
clear.
it's not clear for me. Oh.
Okay, it's not clear for
It's
you.
not
Yes.
Oh, is that
Can
you?
you start it?
Yes, that's me. Me and Dami. It's not
Okay,
clear
I'll
for us.
cancel it and I'll do it again. So I want to add boundary to University of Lagos so that anytime I come, I can identify the whole boundary of University of Lagos. I think I should be able to still tell University of Lagos boundary, so I will add it this way. You see this? This is where you used to add your polygon. Do you see? Hello?
Do you know what?
I don't know
Do you
what.
know what? My own Google Earth is different from your own. Oh. The one
You are
I'm
using the
using.
web. Are you using the web?
Yes.
If you're using the web version, then it is not going to show you this. I'm going to still show you the web version, but I'm using the installed one first.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll show those that have the web and the desktop version. Then we'll go to the web version. So we are adding a polygon. So while this pop-up is on, you are going to click on your points. You click choosing the points. Do you understand now? Adekumbi, are you following?
Yes, I am.
Godwish, are you following?
Hello, Matthew. I'm not getting it. Oh.
You're not getting it. Let me reduce the. Let me just say outline. Good. Now I can see what I'm doing very well. Do you see how I change? Elizabeth, did you see how I change it? I change the style. Then I can continue. Okay, I think it's along this road. I'm really not following the something very well, but I hope you can get it very well now. Elizabeth, are you there? Okay, now I've been able to conjure the points. Now I have the boundary, so I can then now say the color should be yellow, and I will reduce the opacity if I want. I can reduce the opacity. Okay. Opacity is 100. No, let me make it 20%. Right. And the out. Whenever you are doing map, always remember that boundary is always put in red in most cases, or black or red in most cases. So you want to put red, and you want to put it as 100%, and you want to view the latitude, which does not really apply yet for now. So you want to make sure this, and if you want to do the measurement, you can see the perimeter now. The perimeter is 8.4 kilometers. That is everything we've selected. And the area is 2.70 square kilometers. So you have been able to easily identify how big University of Lagos is and the perimeter. And then rename it as University of Lagos. Who is not following? And okay. All right, so that is what we have. If you look at your layers, you should be able to find it in your layers already. I hope everyone is following me.
Yes, we are.
Sorry, please. The red thing that you put, is that the boundary?
Now, can you see now? The boundary I put before, let me show you what I'm doing. The boundary, the boundary color I put before is really not visible. You can see it here. It's not so visible. And you should be able to identify it. All right. So what I did is that I came to places to look at it. Let me remove this one. Since we made mistake, I'll delete it. Okay, I've deleted it. Now we have this one now. You right click on it, and then you come to rename. No, let's come to properties. Okay, properties will now tell you to edit the polygon, because I want to increase all this red thing you are looking at are the points that I picked. So I can add more points or reduce the point if I want. Then come to style, because I want to change the color so that it can be visible. The color that you see, the color that I put yellow is not so visible. So I want to change it to red that is very, very visible. You will see it as I'm changing it, that it will be changing. All right. And I put the opacity at 20%. No, it should be 100%. You see now, do you see the difference now? They can be. And then
Yes,
I will
I can
change the
see the
width.
difference.
I will change the width to, let's say, 30%. You see the difference now? The width has changed to 3.0. And if I change it to 10, it will be bigger. But let me leave it at, let's say, 8. It is very, very visible from anywhere. All right. And if I want to change the outline color, I'll say random color. So then, okay. Now, here we go. This is our University of Lagos boundary on Google Earth, and we've been able to identify the University of Lagos Sports Complex as our subject area within the place. This is very, very good for you if you are doing, in your microbiology, you go to field, you want to identify the species that are within a particular area. So if an area is within your interest, you can square out the boundary, you can triangulate the boundary, and then pinpoint where your species that you're talking about, your subject area, you can pinpoint it, and then it is going to really enhance your report. Don't you think, Adekumbi? So if you want to create new paths on Google Earth, you use this. Yes, thank you. You are going to use this add path, and this one is to add an image overlay. So if I have an image of University of Lagos now, let's say Eco Atlantic that I had, I'm going to say Eco Atlantic. I'm just using because I have Eco Atlantic, but I don't have University of Lagos image. Let's assume that that Eco Atlantic is part of University of Lagos. I'll browse there because I have it in my downloads. Download. Where are you? Okay, screenshots and open. Now, do you see now? The problem that I have now is that this image you are looking at is not georeferenced. There is something they call georeferencing. That georeferencing is if you take picture on your phone. I don't know if you are using an iPhone or who is using an iPhone. Godwish, are you using an iPhone? If you're using an iPhone and you take picture with an iPhone or your Android, maybe Samsung or Redmi, whatever phone you take picture with, if you go to the properties, you're going to see the geolocation. If you enable location, that means the image is georeferenced. But this screenshot I took is not georeferenced. So normal, had it been it is georeferenced, it is not going to place this image here. I don't know if you get what I'm saying now. If the image was georeferenced, it's going to take it to Eco Atlantic where it belongs. But because the image is not georeferenced, so it is assuming that it is in the correct place. So what we can now do is that if we want to georeference it, that is a story for another day, not now. But I'm assuming that this is an image for University of Lagos, so I can reduce the vertex here. Do you see what I'm doing? Elizabeth, do you see what I'm doing?
Matthew, please, I have a question.
Yes.
I'm lost.
I'm listening. Where are you lost? Where are you lost to? Tell me.
I'm lost. I don't know how you come about this screenshot image. I've been trying to do my segment anything where it's in. It's not.
Are you still on segment?
changing.
No, leave segments for now. You can practice segments again another time. Just leave segments for now. Come along with this one.
It's not still changing. I've left it, but I could see that the screenshot is from the segment.
No, the screenshot is not from the segment. This screenshot is actually the one I took now. Is from what I did earlier on Google Earth. Eco Atlantic, that is my own subject area. You know, Eco Atlantic has been my subject area since last week.
Okay.
You understand? Imagine now, I have added the wire to my University of Lagos Geography. That's fine. You see now the wire. I added the wire. The wire is not supposed to be there. But
Okay,
anyways,
I got the boundary.
So this is the boundary now. You don't know how I got the boundary.
No, I know how you get the boundary. How you get the boundary, but I don't know what's like the next step, what we tend to achieve, like the next thing we're doing.
I'm just showing you tools on the Google Earth. We've not even started the main thing because you need to understand those tools and I use. So if I start using tools now, you'll be asking the question, what's going on? Okay, that's why I'm showing you what each tool does. So it is the bigger part of this class is going to be continued in the next class.
Okay,
so
Matthew.
it's even better as I'm introducing you to the Google Earth engine now.
Yes, I understand. You're trying
You
to
understand?
use the tools. I understand
Definitely.
the fact that the polygon tools to get the boundary, but
Yes.
the that you just took away now, I do not understand.
Yeah. I'm going to redo that. What we want to do is that, okay, let me do it this way. Somebody should go online and look at satellite imagery of University of Lagos Sports Complex and send it to me. That you see that Senate building, Oyin, the one you took, send it to my WhatsApp. You get Oyin? Is Oyin on the call?
I said it's on your system. There's no way I can send it to you.
Okay, don't worry. Let me just do it myself.
What do I say?
I'll just say university. I'll go to Google, type University of Lagos. That's all you can do. Sports. If you want to add those of that
Search
sports.
Matthew.
Yeah.
It's not difficult now. Just continue.
What did you say, Matthew? I can't hear you.
So what I'm saying is that I wanted to add image to University of Lagos, the sports complex that is our focus area, so that anytime you come around that and you click it, you can see what you are doing.
So what you say to start for?
So on your subject area, your place of interest, Elizabeth, what's the place of interest in your subject area? What is your place of interest?
Yeah.
Elizabeth, what's your subject area?
I can hear you.
Your place of, what's the subject area in your place of interest?
Okay. The subject area. I'm thinking I'll use the Senate building.
Okay, Senate building is fine.
Yes.
Okay, Senate building is fine. Oh, what's the own subject area?
But which one again? I thought I said I'm using Unilag. You said we should do the
in Unilag, there must be a subject area you want to use in the University of Lagos. So what is your subject area?
Building that I was doing now.
So now go to Google and save an image of, it's different from satellite view now. Save an exact image of Senate building. Elizabeth, you do that. Do you get now?
Ordinary image.
Ordinary image. Type Senate building and go to on Google. Go to images. Let me show you what I'm doing. So
you don't mean the aerial, the satellite image now, just normal pictures of the place.
We need satellite image, right?
Okay.
So I want to save image. So this is what I've done. Look at me now. I went to Google and typed University of Lagos Sports Complex and I saved an image.
Okay.
So who else is working is coming along? Who else is coming along?
Hussein is here.
Hussein, are you coming along?
I am coming along. I want to take
Daddy,
pictures.
are you coming along?
Yes.
So what is your subject? What is your community? Which community are you using? So what is your subject area? Maybe you want to use governor's office or something. Ministry of
Agriculture.
I don't know if those ones have images online. Maybe you want to use governor's office.
Okay.
That will be very easier for you.
I'll change it. All right.
So who else? Godwish. Are you following Godwish? Godwish. Motu, I've not even called Motu. Motu, you're on the call and you did not talk. Musab. I've been following. We have 10 minutes left, though. We need to get these things done in 10 minutes. Like we need to identify these tools, and then in the next class, Musab, Moturayo, are they there? Okay, Uzain, what's
Sir,
the community? Which community are you using, Uzain?
Yabatek
So what's the
Sports
subject
Complex.
here in Yabatek?
I'm using a PGD.
Okay, so get the image of that
Okay,
PGD. I don't know the place.
PGD. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
just make sure that wherever you are going to get is where you can your subject, you should be able to get the image. That's it. No, Adekunbi is not really following, but I don't know. Okay, this guy is no longer on the call. All right, let's move on.
I am following, just that my PC is
He's
there's
doing
no light. I'm following.
yeah. Okay, so let me share back my window. This okay, share. Okay, here we go. Can everybody see my screen now? So I've been able to save the image of University of Lagos Sports Complex. So I will come back here. I will add image overlay. Can you see now? Add image overlay. I will say sports complex. And I will browse the image out. If it is a link, I can place the link. Even if you don't want to download it, you can take the link from online and place it in link here. But if you have the image saved already, you browse and you click open. Simple. Now you have a very large email that you are telling the AI that it is part of the University of Lagos. So you want to reduce the vertex so that it fits where you are taking it to. Okay, this is our University of Lagos Sports Complex. Now I've been able to place it here. Simple. So if I have another subject area, maybe here, maybe the Senate building, I'll put a picture. If I am down that one, I'll put a picture. I don't know if anybody is getting what I'm saying. Then I can put a link or image or altitude. I'll just put information to describe this place. You see, I'll just put and okay, it's now I've been able to add
from Google from where you saved. How did you take this from where you saved this?
How did I what? So if you hover on if you hover on the screen, if you hover on the image, right, you see that the cursor will change to a point to index finger. You see now the cursor has changed. Have you seen that the cursor has changed? Look at the cursor. Let's see the cursor now. My own cursor.
From where you saved this picture from?
Yeah.
How did you bring it in?
I will save this from online, like Google Image, like you look for an image now.
So how did you bring it? Because I've saved my own. I'm finding it difficult to bring it from
browse. Click on browse. Click on browse. Look at browse. Can you see this? I'm not sure you'll be able to see this. So let me see what you are seeing first. Hold on. Let me see what you're seeing. No, don't worry. Let me just see what I'm saying. Okay, you're not seeing it. If you click on this.
Which one? What's the name?
Add image overlay.
Add image overlay. Come in, please. Add image overlay. Yes, I can see it.
And you click it, right?
Yes.
It has identified. You will see the cursor around it, right? Identify your boundary. Look at your Google Earth. It has Do you see the green thing around your boundary?
Yes.
Good. So it is telling you that whatever image you are going to bring in will be geolocated inside your boundary because that is your subject area.
Okay.
So you understand? Now
Yes.
click on name your what image do you want to bring in? Maybe it's for I don't know your subject area. So name it as your subject area, rename it as your subject area.
Governor's house.
Yes, governor's house. Now go and browse. Click on browse to launch a file. Yes,
Okay.
click on the browse. It will bring out your open the locate where your image is. Locate where your image is.
Okay.
And click OK now. Or double click on the image. Elizabeth, are you following?
Yes, I am.
Musa and Mutsu are not on this call, I'm sure. Okay. So you have been able to do that. Now, if you want to, you see that when you import your image, it will be very large. So when you hover on it, you'll find that if you go around the image, your cursor should change. Are you seeing that your cursor will change? If your cursor can change, then you'll be able to reduce or resize the image that you have. Are you following? Hello, Dami.
Hello, Matthew. No.
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
What do you not get?
Let me show you my.
It's low. I want to. The class is almost coming over now.
Just 5 minutes left, but me, I'm unable to do anything because they said there's not enough memory to open the page, so everything to wipe off.
Oh boy. Let me show you the last two bar here. What are you presenting? Okay. Let's see what Uzen is presenting. Uzen, where are you? You are still screenshotting. So download the image now. Right click on the image and you see save image. Right click on it and you see save image.
I've done that, Matthew. I'm on Google Earth now, so I've imported the what they call the name. Is it layer? What they call add layer? But the image is bigger than the.
So you now what you want to do now is that don't do okay yet. So don't do okay yet. What you now want to do is you see this green thing around the image. You see that the image is bigger, but you see the green thing around it. Over your cursor at the edges, your cursor will change to like it's pointing up.
Okay.
Then click down on that as it is changed. Then you can use it to resize the image.
Okay.
To the extent you want. So when you get the size that you want, then you click OK. Do it at every other side. Then come to the middle. Once the finger click show up, once the cursor show up cursor, then you click down from the middle and use to drag the image to wherever you want. Simple. Drop. And you okay it.
Okay.
Let's save what we have because of time. By next week, we'll continue with Google Earth.
Okay. So, Matthew, let me show you my own screen so that you can see if I'm corrected.
Okay.
So this is it. Can you Hello, Matthew.
I can see your screen now.
Okay, so this is the conclusion of everything you asked us to do, or what you were showing me.
So you've added many points. Beautiful. You added so many points. I like that. And so now that you have added an image, your image is still bigger. I don't know if your image is bigger or maybe your location is bigger, but whichever one fits you.
Bigger. But
it's bigger.
To the overlay picture.
Is that how you want it? Is that how you want it?
Yes, it's fine.
Yeah, that's okay then. Now let's save it and we continue in another class.
All right, thank you.
Now come to file here and you see save. Then come to save image. So you can use any of these save. Maybe you want to save in my places so it will continue to be on your Google Earth engine. So let's have this save image first. We'll save it as image. So it has taken a screenshot of this. I don't know if you are seeing my screen. See the legend. We really didn't name it. We didn't name our layer, but it has added the legend for me. And are you following? Are you following? It has added the legend. And I can edit the legend if I want. So it has added the windows. What did you say? So I can edit this legend if I want. Do you understand? But I'm not editing for now. If you click on this pencil,
Are you on mute? I'm hearing myself. I'm muted.
And you shoot, everybody, I'm first calling.
Now you.